Auckland, New Zealand. I just wanted to hear the tui birds on our farm block at the east coast. Whakaagiangi, Te Araroa. On New Year's night, me and Richard, my son, we slept in the bush. So we recorded the sound in the morning, about 4:30, 5 o'clock. And this is what tuis sound like, just a native indigenous bird in the KOWHAI tree in the big bush. Okay, I'll touch it on so you can hear. It's more spiritual in the bush when you're in there. It's very special, and especially with the stream running waterfall down the big boulders, you can sense it, the energy in there. So that's just a sample of the sound of the tui that I wanted you to hear, and we'll just turn it off for now. Oops. Okay, so there you go. Just a sample of what the tui bird, the pictures you see there of all those tui. That's a tui in its own environment, not in the city. There's a big difference between one and the other, of listening to the sound from a distance of several of them singing at the same time, 4 o'clock in the morning, just on daybreak on the New Year's night. So that's all I want to do, just let you hear the sound of the bird. So John Wanoa, Auckland, it's Thursday, the 15th of January 2015. You can hear the people down there having a few drinks and laughing while I listen to the music. Okay, and bye for now. Those people waiting for us online, watching Facebook. You're seeing a lot of things come together now, but it's going to take an almighty effort on the part of people from all over the world. This is the part that's been missing. The spirit has been missing in all of the politics from Britain, Europe. As you can see now, it's really, really bad of what the monarch is doing. They've separated themselves, the Queen, the Vatican, and the Rothschilds have separated themselves from Westminster in Britain, and that's just left me as a surrogate King of England to go there and hoist the flag up of King William's and change everything in Westminster on the 7th of May 2015. People like David Cameron will be no longer there because they don't want any more of that treatment of people inhumane way of running a country and bullying other countries around. The New World Order, I think it's got a problem on its hands now. This is the spirit that's missing with the birds. Nature. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.